Hey guys, and welcome back. As you can tell, we're here at Soap Speed in North Carolina. We've got an exciting day for you. We're working on Mike's 6th Gen Camaro. As you remember from the last video, he had a slew of parts that he has installed, put on, and now it's time to get it dyno tuned. So the best thing to do is get started. So as I've been at Soap, I've been able to walk around and they've kind of given me free reign, which is awesome. One of the nice things about being here is they have everything you need, even from an alignment rack all the way to each car when they're being put together. You can see they have their own individual trays. So everything that's going on with this car, every part that comes off, they make sure everything's put in one place. You never lose anything, keep everything in the bags, everything is organized. And that's one of the things about a shop that you definitely need to make sure that you're getting into. Also, notice their floors. These are actually tile floors. Makes it much easier to keep everything clean. Looks great. The shop looks amazing. Definitely a place that I would recommend going if you were going to have some work done to any of your cars. All right, now that we've looked at all the pretty shiny stuff, it's time to get this on the dyno. All right, guys, as you can hear, we've got the fans going. Yep, we've got the car on the dyno. Andrew just finished hooking everything up. Now it's time to see what she puts down.
I wasn't sure if it was still missing for that spark plug wire. Okay.
Yep. That's normal.
Excellent.
And when I start doing power pulls, don't be scared about the low numbers in the beginning because it's going to be way off. And I pull timing out to be safe, and then we'll bump it back up.
I got you. So we probably will see a 399 number in there somewhere.
You might.
Error.
That's messed up.
Hold on, I'm trying to get the, there you go. And those are brand new plugs, right?
Brand new, man. They probably got about 40 miles on them tops.
So you think that's just from it not being tuned and driving it?
Yeah, I shouldn't have been driving it all that time.
Did anyone tell you that you shouldn't have been driving it that whole time?
Andrew told me I shouldn't drive it.
Did I not say that you shouldn't have been driving it?
Shut up.
I'm just asking. I just wanted to know.
It just sounded so good, and it actually, once I got the transmission fluid topped off on it, it actually felt good under hard acceleration. It was just the red light to red light, regular driving that felt like it was having a hard time with. It was wanting to shift out too soon, I figured, because of the stall converter.
So for anybody that wants to know what's going on right now, we're having a misfire and trying to diagnose exactly where that is. We did have one of the plug wires that was off, so we put that back on. Obviously the spark plugs look a little bit fouled, probably from it not being tuned. And then, is there anything else I'm missing? No, I think that's pretty much it. So right now we're doing new spark plugs, making sure the wires are on there, and then we'll give it another try. So the great thing about having somebody actually dyno tune your car is after each pass you get Andrew here, who is actually dialing it in, making sure that he goes through air-fuel ratio, shift points, a lot of stuff that I really have no idea even what I'm talking about, but he can go in there and make sure that it's optimized for this car, for the application, for every mod that we put on here, and that's going to increase in power. And as we keep seeing more and more pulls on the dyno, we're going to see that number keep going up. So for the most part, the car is tuned on pump gas. Now we're going to go to E85 and see if we can boost those numbers up a little bit. I think we'll get a little more out of her. So one of the cool things about using the dyno is now that we've got the new stall converter in there, we can actually dyno tune it for the transmission on the dyno. Let's give that a try. So do you like it?
I like it a lot. Oh. Everybody's getting hugs, damn it.
That was 40 to 100.
I saw it. I saw it. Holy shit.
The exhaust love is trying to get the hands on there.
Yeah.
It's also now tuned for that stall too, so that
Yeah.
it'll drive. And I mean,
It'll drive like
Yeah.
it's supposed to. And that little trick you just showed me, man, that was...
So now, what were you saying in there when you put it over? It's sport mode.
Put it in track mode.
Track mode.
Slip the shifter over into manual shift. Leave it in second gear. Get your starting RPM from a roll like you would in a manual car. And as soon as you hit the gas to go, you just bump it over into drive and
And
let it
take
shift.
over.
So you don't have to
Right, keep-
manual shift. Yeah, and let it do its thing.
What a great day this has been, and I'm so excited for Mike to get his 6th Gen Camaro tuned. You can hear that they're finishing it up right now. So he's got his base tune, and then he's got his E85 tune. Everything went really well. You can see the numbers. I think he's very happy with it. I can't thank Andrew enough and everyone at Soap Speed for just letting me have free reign to the shop, doing videos up here. So much fun. If you ever need anything automotive, make sure that you hit them up. All right, guys, it's time for me to head home. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll catch you next time. That's not very nice. Here I am holding your shit.
You don't have to hold it no more.
I let go last time and popped the shit out, and then you say,
That's because
hey, can you push that thing?
I had you push it because I was hooked onto it.
I know why I held it. And then it popped out, didn't it? Or was that my imagination?
It was mine.
Because I don't know everything about everything. Yeah, wipe that sweat off. If I let go, what happens?
Let it go and find out.
Yeah,
It
it's what I
wasn't-
thought. It's what I... Just let go, Mike. Just let go. Oh, I got a video. He kept saying that you don't have to hold it. He let go, that thing popped out at him.
Quit making him look at us.
I'm telling you.
You gotta make him look at us again.
Only Mike can make this type of mess.